Howdy, it's LiWen from DanceInsanity, and today we are doing a workout of the abdomen and the legs. Now, is there a correlation between the two? Absolutely. I'm gonna make it so hard, you're gonna come back for more. I meant hard abs. First, let me slip into something more comfortable. All you need is a soft surface and a book. Let's get started. All right, first thing you do, lie down on your back. Then you extend your left leg up. Put your book onto your foot, and you're gonna strongly flex through your left ankle and find a little balance there. Okay, straighten through your left leg. Your left leg is gonna just stay there like this the whole time. So you're working your leg strength. Then bring your right leg up and find a strong point through your right foot. From here, you can press your palms down, pull your belly in, start to work your core. And we'll do 10 reps on the right foot. Right leg is gonna lower all the way down, not quite touching, and then pick it back up again. Yeah, and go a little faster now. This is 2 and 3 and 4. Nice. And 5 and 6. Good. Keep flexing your left ankle. You're building nice ankle strength there. Point through your right foot. 8 and 9 and last one, 10. Good, nice. Switch out the legs now. Try again. Wow! I got it. Flex through your right ankle. Left foot extends up towards the sky. Okay, pull your belly in and lower your left leg with control. Pull it back up. Pull your belly, pull in. That's 1. That's 2. That's a 3. And that's 4. Right. And that's 5. 6. And if you find your legs shaking, ultra good. 7. 8. Feel like you're not trying to use your hands to help your leg come up, but really using your core. Nice. 10. Woohoo! Okay, second exercise. Now, put the book on both legs and then flex both ankles now. Hands down by your sides. From here, you're gonna lower, yes, your heels as low as you can get it without the book falling off. Then pull your belly in and bring your legs back up. That's 1. We'll do 20 of these. And 2. And 3. And if the book drops, that's okay, just pick it up. 4. 5. Keep pulling your belly in. 6. Squeeze your thighs together. It helps. I promise. 7. 8. Core is burning already. 9. Help. 10. Mommy. And 10 more. 11. 12. 13. Yes, you can do this. 14. Keep pulling your belly in. 15. You know you're working really hard when you start to strain your neck. 16. And the veins are popping out from your forehead. Not a glamour moment. And 18. 2 more. Let's go. 19. Keep pulling your belly in, make it work for you. Go lower, go lower. 20. Are we done yet? No, we're not done. We have one more exercise to go. Bring your book back onto the bottoms of your feet. Nice. Yeah. Then flex your toes. Feel the space between your toes. Say hi. And then extend your feet up into the sky. Feel a strong flex through your ankles. And you want to try and keep your knees really straight, okay? And pull your hips down. That way you're really stable here. And light touch with your hands. So from here, we'll lower, elevator your legs down. Keep squeezing your thighs. And then lengthen your legs back up into the sky. Okay, so that's our exercise. 20 of those, let's go. And lower down. And exhale, kick the heels up. And inhale, lower down. Exhale, extend. And inhale, lower. And exhale, kick strongly through the foot. Feel like you have just one leg as opposed to two. So it's really just moving as one. Yeah. And kick it, yes. And keep it going, keep pulling your belly in, that's where the work is. And 7. And extend it up all the way. Remember, shaking is good. That means you're pushing yourself all the way to the edge. And 50% done. And this is 11. Are you the kind of person that likes to count down or count up? And 7 more to go. Counting down now. Yeah. Keep it going. Lower. And keep pressing your hips down as you extend your legs up. Feel that oppositional energy. And extend. And keep it going. 3 more. And that's second to last. And last. No, that's the second to last. The last one. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Pause here. Feel your strength. Oh, let it go. Okay. Nice. Good job. Oh, okay. Shake out your legs. Oh, because we're gonna do that 2 more times through. Just kidding. You're gonna do that by yourself 2 more times through. I've had enough of this. You can start out with 1 book. And work your way to 2 books. Then add a 3rd book. And gradually add more. This is super easy. Ah! This is the advanced version. Oh my god, it's so big. Ooh, yeah. Now if you really want to get fancy, go for the plants. And that was your Footwork Friday. Click button that says subscribe and click the bell which says shape of a bell. You will now enjoy stability in your dancing. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you didn't, then maybe you enjoyed my suspenders. If you enjoyed my suspenders, then give my video a thumbs up. La la la! And make a comment below if you have any questions or more workouts that you would like to challenge me with. Thank you very much for watching. I'm LiWen from DanceInsanity, and I will see you next time.